You may find yourself sitting at the house and not being able to get out as much as you were before. Well, this is a great time to build out your online video platforms. This is easy, this is simple to do, anyone can do it. As long as you have a simple cell phone, you can do videos, and that can be a source that brings you in listings. Especially now, everybody's watching video because they're sitting at home. Plus, as you continue to grow your business, this is going to be an area that if you're not tapping into, you're missing out and losing listings. So let's talk about the three main platforms. YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram are the three biggest ones, and those are going to be your biggest traffic sources. So let's talk about those and how you can build out those platforms. And then we'll get into some tips and tricks on actually shooting the videos. So build out your platforms. You want your bio. You want an up-to-date bio that is engaging, because it's not just about your videos, it's about how you build out that platform. That's what will determine if people just skip through your videos or if they contact you or reach out to you or click your website link. So your bio is really important. Next, an updated image, not one from 1969, an updated image of how you look today. I see a lot of real estate agents with old pictures because there's this human side of us that doesn't want to grow old, but we all do. So up-to-date picture is really important. Smile, be happy, and let your picture speak for you as well. Another thing is keywords. Don't get overwhelmed with this. It's pretty simple. What you're going to want to have is some keywords maybe stored in a notebook or a note in your computer, so you can just copy and paste them as you do videos. You'll want things like your location. Maybe there's a niche you serve, expireds, FSBOs, divorce, estate tax, whatever it is. Maybe there's a niche that you serve. You'll want those in your keywords as well. Of course, your name, the word realtor, real estate, those will be some of the keywords that you want. Now there's many more, and on this video, the link below or a link to the blog, you'll find a list of many keywords that you can use in the real estate space. So put your keywords in, build out your profile, and now you're ready to build video. And then as you build these videos, you'll put those keywords in your videos as well. And there's four main types of videos that you can do. So I'm going to break it down really simple. Any agent can do this, whether you've been in business for 5 minutes or 50 years. The number one is pain points. What's a pain point video? Well, it's what people are already thinking. So for example, if you're getting a lot of questions of, can I buy and sell in this environment? Or how do I, what's the earnest money? Or how much do I need to put down? Or will I qualify for a loan? All of these are things that people are thinking in their mind. They're searching online. And if you can answer those questions one at a time, your videos can rank and then you can get listings from them. So questions that home sellers are asking, that can simply be a video. For example, have you wondered how much money you need to put down in today's economy in what the mortgages are doing today? Well, right now it's just X amount. Like, you can run through it like that. So you start with a question and then an explanation. Simply put, tell them what you're going to tell them what you tell them, and then tell them what you told them. That's the sandwich. So you can really recap at the end. And it's that simple. You can do 3 to 5 to even shorter 2-minute videos, and these will be what will rank online as people are searching these. And then let them know what, there's so many questions. So you just have to think about what people are asking, maybe look at what people are searching in your area, and then just start doing videos with pain points. Number 2, you can do local businesses, right? So you can go video at local businesses and do shout outs. I've seen agents do this, and it's been a great success, even in the craziness we have going on today. Brian shared this from California.
You know the businesses that you go to, support them by doing a Facebook Live. We did a Facebook Live with a Mediterranean restaurant that we absolutely love. And we just interviewed the owner, and he said, hey, I've been doing this for 20 years. And we said, you know what we're going to do for this interview here. So I thank you for your interview. You can do Uber Eats, you can do Grubhub, you can take any kind of delivery from your restaurant still. He goes, yes, absolutely can. Fantastic. What we're going to do is, in a real estate family, anybody that orders from you, we're going to go ahead and give away a gift card to your restaurant. He was blown away by that, super appreciative.
So after Brian told me that, and I've seen agents do it, you know what I thought? I'm going to go out in my market, in my area, and see how people receive this. And I was surprised how open business owners were, how grateful. You know what? Every one of those business owners have a sphere of people that are going to be buying or selling, if not themselves. And if you can be the expert now, if you can be the only one that's out there that's being proactive when everyone else has ran and hid, that's what they will remember. People remember you when you stand out. It's easy to stand out now because many agents are just rolling over and doing nothing. If you do a little bit of video, phone calls, maybe you get out a little bit as well, you're going to be head and shoulders above the rest. So that's what I call a local business shout out video. Number 3, referral partners. You should have referral partners. What referral partners are brand advocates that bring you listings. So as a real estate agent, you're dealing with homeowners that are getting ready to buy or sell. Roofers, painters, plumbers, repairmen. There's probably 30 of them you can think about right now. Those are referral partners. You want to team up with those. And this is a great opportunity to do a video. Maybe you go do a video with them on a job site that they're on. Just throw up your cell phone, do a quick video, do a shout out. Here's the thing. They're going to remember that as well. They're going to be proud to be on your YouTube channel. They're going to be proud to maybe put this on your website, Facebook, Instagram. This is going to open up opportunities for your referral partners. As a real estate agent, you should have referral partners, and video is a great way to make that connection and really concrete the relationship. That way you can collaborate with new strategies. Maybe they're struggling now. Collaborate with them. Be available. Ask how they're doing. It's simple. It's not rocket science, but this is what really matters when you're collaborating and trying to get referral partners. And now is a great time to do that, and video is a great tool to use. Number 4, I call these expert interviews. Be the connector. You don't have to be the mortgage expert. No, have an expert come in, talk about insurance rates, talk about title insurance. Brian just made this point when I was talking to him.
One of the questions that came up was, hey, in our state, they're actually closing down the county recorder's office. What should we do? Well, here's the solution. Buyers need to find out if your escrow company is open, still for business, number 1. Number 2, can they actually still close whether or not the county recorder's office is open? That's called gap insurance. Then there are several escrow companies that do that. Do a Facebook Live with an escrow officer you love working with. Let your public know, let your buyers know that, yeah, we can still close, and when the county recorder offices open back up, we can record on that property.
That's a great point that Brian made. Let homeowners know that, yes, you can close with parts of the county closed. And if you have gap insurance, everything will be fine. Appraisers, you could interview a home appraiser about values. That's going to be important now. Home inspectors, that'd be a great one to do now because we're seeing a lot of buyers buying sight unseen. And I think that's something that we're going to see moving forward as well. People buying and selling homes sight unseen and trusting a home inspector. So to recap here, 4 types of videos that you can do as you build out your video platforms. Pain point videos, local business videos, referral partners, and then expert interviews. Those are 4 types of videos that you can do right now. Now, let me talk about the most important part of the video. Other than getting them engaged. It's the call to action. Because this is so important. If they just look at your video and skip over it, what good is that? They're going to take the tip you gave them and then go to another real estate agent. You want to be clear and concise about your call to action. One call to action. Not say if you want a home value, if you want a home inspection, if you want your roof done. Don't say all that. If you had a list of referral partners, if you said your call to action would be, if you need any of these, reach out to me at phone number. So you want one call to action, a website link. Go to my website. Here's my phone number. Put the phone number on the screen as well. So if you're saying the phone number, call me at 745-678-8971. That number should be on the screen as well. Double path readership. It's so simple to put it there. You can do it from an app from your phone as well. And then if you're able for them to text you, say, hey, you know what? Go to my website, text me or call me on this number if you have any more questions about this, right? You want to tell them exactly what to do, exactly where to go at the end of every video, right? You got to have this at the end of every video. In the description of the video, you should have your website link, keywords. All of these things play a role in making this successful. I see a lot of agents who do 2 or 3 videos, no keywords, they haven't built out their platforms, and it just kind of flops. And they say, hey, Joe, it doesn't work. And I clearly see why it doesn't work. It's every piece of the pie coming together that will make this successful for you and continue to bring in business. Now, how are you going to attract prospects with these videos? All the online platforms we talked about, that's going to attract them because as they're searching these, the search engines are not only pulling up websites, they're pulling up videos. YouTube is huge right now with Google, so they're pulling up videos as they're searching these pain points. Email these videos out to your sphere of influence. Let them know, hey, what do you think? Can I get your feedback? Do you have any questions? Anything that I should shoot videos on? You'll be surprised how much response you get from people in your sphere that would be willing to help you. And when they tell you what they're thinking, that is so powerful because as real estate agents, we don't always know exactly what they're thinking, prospects or people out there with concerns. Then post these on social media as well. And when you do, post them and ask them, please share, like, and comment on this video. You got to tell people what to do because the more it gets shared, the more it gets liked, and the more comments you have, the more Facebook will put that video out there organically. And that is so important because that's how you're going to gain traction. That's it. You have to use the tools that you have at your disposal. It doesn't matter where you're at. If you're at home or you're stuck somewhere traveling, if you have an internet connection and a phone, you can set up these accounts for free and start building your platform. So to recap here, the 4 things that you're going to do after this video: start updating your platforms, create video content, simple, easy, nothing fancy, collaborate with other experts, and then send out your contact to your sphere of influence. If you do this today, you'll be head and shoulders above the other agents who aren't doing this or are not doing this the right way.